phase of moon. Third.
Welcome back, Blake Cousins here, Thirdphaseofomoon. We've got 4 videos that we're going to be sharing with you. Videos from around the world. Buckle up, everybody. It's going to be a wild ride, and I want to get your comments so we could all understand what the heck is going on in our skies. Let's get to it. We've got this video coming in. Apparently, we've seen helicopters survey UFOs in the skies. Well, here we got another one coming in from a YouTube channel who's allowed us permission to share it with you. Let's just roll it right now.
Alright, so what you're looking at in the sky, because my camera is very, very far away, I'm about, I could say 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from this. That is a helicopter blinking, and I have no idea what the hell that thing is next to it, just sitting there. No actual movement. Big ass cloud formation. We got the helicopter just sitting there. Super weird. I'm not gonna say it's UFOs, but I am gonna say it's creepy that that helicopter is sitting real still.
We just rolled the raw video, and stay tuned. We've got a lot more UFO videos coming up next, but we want to thank John Grimm, aka Grimmy B. He allowed us to share this incredible video of what looks to be a police helicopter in interaction with some kind of unidentified object in the sky. We're going to get a little closer on it and try and figure out what the heck this thing is, because right away we can see the blinking light to the right, but what is in question here is this dark, unidentified object dwarfing the size of the helicopter itself. This thing is massive, and what's interesting is John Grimm actually states that he sees some kind of strange cloud in the sky, a lenticular cloud, but some people might speculate that whatever this object is may have come from this cloud above. We're looking at it right now, getting a close look. Brent, I want to get your thoughts before we get to the next UFO videos.
Yeah, it's cool. This happened actually hours ago, just a couple hours. We're trying to nail down the exact place where this actually happened. I do believe we're going to see more footage coming out. So if you're out there, John Grimm, give us a heads up exactly where this took place, the best vicinity that you think might be where people actually saw this up close, so we could get a little bit better information on what's actually going down in this area. It's awesome. John Grimm did a great job capturing it. We just need a little bit more video to really conclude what this is.
Yeah, we're doing a little enhancement on it, and right away it's hard to tell why would this helicopter be surrounding this object. If this is some kind of blimp in the sky, it would be kind of bizarre for a helicopter to be so in close proximity to it. Whatever this is bizarre, again, with the strange cloud formation, and then what John Grimm is capturing. He states himself he doesn't know what it is. He's not saying it's aliens or a UFO, but again, he says it's very strange and he can't make up his mind exactly what it is. That's why we're sharing these videos with you. Let's get to the next one right now.
Блин, что это такое вообще? Офигеть просто. Видите? Тут кучка, как вот переливается. Там что-то еще светится, но я туда боюсь нахрен ехать. Вдруг там, блин, хрен знает, что там. Может. Но я такого вообще никогда не видел. Ну, что это за явление? Ну, как это объяснить? Кто-нибудь вообще может это объяснить? Бля, что это за хрень? Так, чтобы вы понимали, вот я сижу в машине, вот она эта штука. Как будто птицы какие-то, ну как будто светящееся что-то, вот много всяких вот каких-то элементов. Вот они объединились в кучу. Ну вот похоже как птицы, но почему они светятся? Да может это и правда птицы, просто отражаются.
The world's not just lighting up in America, it is also lighting up in Russia. If you're enjoying this video right now, give us a big thumbs up. Now, what was this anomalous light in the sky captured over the nighttime skies in Russia? It's hard to tell. It's a massive formation of lights along with other anomalies to the left and upper left of it. What's going on? Some people might say that this is simply some kind of drone display, or maybe an atmospheric phenomenon. Adding a little brightness contrast, seeing what these objects could possibly be. I'm looking at it, and some people also might speculate that these could be a flock of birds, but again, I don't speak Russian. I don't know exactly what the guy's stating in the video. If you could help me out, people, and you speak Russian, and give us in the description below a little play-by-play of what this guy's experiencing and what he's filming, it'd sure help a lot. But right now, we wanted to share this video with you because we're kind of want to figure it out. Brent, any thoughts?
Yeah, like when this whole pack or flock of whatever we're looking at kind of groomed together and they kind of come into it like a bunch and remains solid, and then it just stays stationary in the sky. That's why I don't think these are a flock of birds. I think whatever we're looking at is some sort of phenomenon that we can't actually grasp.
A fleet of UFOs. Some people are stating, I'd imagine, in the comments below, and I would have to agree with them. This is incredible footage of a huge amount of UFOs flying in unison together, or it could be something that is natural in nature, a phenomenon, but it is definitely strange. And again, that's why we're sharing these videos, because we want to get your guys' thoughts. What the heck is going on around the world? Now, let's roll this. More videos of a huge object in the sky, very bright, and apparently this thing appears and then disappears. Let's just roll the video right now.
Oh, look at that. Oh my.
More incredible sightings coming in from around the world. This one from Windsor, Ontario, Canada. A YouTube channel has given us permission to share it with you. They go by Antua Manuel. Look at it. Let me know your thoughts right now. Okay, we just watched Atua's video, and apparently there are more people that witnessed this incredible sighting of what we're looking at, apparently outside of a Walmart in Canada, and a few more people actually recorded this. So we're looking around in social media. If anybody, a couple days ago, noticed something in the sky over Windsor, Ontario, because right now we're looking for answers. It's an incredible capture. Some people are speculating that this is a UFO that's interdimensional, that blinks in and out of existence. It's very bright in the skies, but I would have to rule out a mylar balloon or any kind of a blimp. This thing is interesting. It stays very stationary, but I like the way it goes in and out of existence. Is this some kind of stealth technology that we haven't seen in quite a while? It's a weird video, but Antua is looking for questions, and I'm sure everybody around the world is looking for answers. Brent, what's your thoughts on this?
Yeah, taking a look at this, I'm still leaning on a reflection. Could this be a reflection of a window, and what we're seeing is some backlight that's projecting onto a window that we're looking at? Again, I'm still a little on the fence, because when Anuta kind of zooms in, you can see this light remains stationary. It's not bouncing off and creating a strange parallax. It actually remains and looks like it's quite some distance from where this camera is actually capturing this UFO. So is it a reflection? That's a big question. And if it's not, then we're looking at a serious UFO with strange capabilities of it blinking in and out of existence. It's pretty nuts, Blake. Crazy video.
Yeah, absolutely. And if what Antua Manuel is stating, that more people outside of the Walmart in Canada saw this and other people recorded it, then you would have to rule out that this is a reflection, but indeed something massive in the sky, an unidentified object that represents something that isn't in our assets, something extraterrestrial. Again, leave me your thoughts. We've got more videos coming in right now. Roll this.
Cara, eu tô encucado até agora com esse negócio parado na praia. Ele tava encostado na água e agora ele tá em cima, parado. Um vento absurdo e o negócio não se mexe. Paradinho, no mesmo lugar. Já tem meia hora que isso tá aí em cima. Nem sobe, nem desce, tá parado no mesmo lugar.
Olha como tá mandando agora o formato.
Formato diferente. Que é isso, cara?
Olha isso. Caralho, você tá vendo?
Era um círculo, mudou agora. Não tô entendendo mais nada.
The strangeness continues. More videos that astound from around the world, more UFO videos that have yet to be explained. We're looking at this one coming in from Cabo, Brazil, captured again this month. There is so many sightings that have come into Thirdphaseofomoon. It's getting kind of hard to share them all with you. That's why we're doing this extended version with all the UFO videos that you're witnessing tonight. Again, give us a big thumbs up. What do you guys think? Brent, what's your thoughts?
Yeah, look at the weather atmosphere. You can see that it's pretty blustery. The winds are gusty, and it's not your typical calm day at the beach. Even the surf is picking up in the wind, and this thing is not bobbing down up and down like your typical balloon. It looks metallic, it looks heavy, and it looks huge. Whatever this thing is, I want to see it. And I saw this earlier this week, and I'm glad that we're sharing it right now at Thirdphaseofomoon, because these are the top UFOs this week. And thanks, guys, for joining us at Thirdphaseofomoon.
We're looking at this video again, broad daylight sighting, Brazil, off Cabo, the coast. Guys, what's your thoughts? What's going on? And you've seen all the videos tonight. Again, leave your comments below. We're going to be sharing more videos coming up. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Brent, any last words here?
Yeah, it's pretty cool being pretty much ongoing channel that's giving the information out. We appreciate your support out there, delivering the goods, the real UFOs. And if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here. We appreciate it.
Keep your eyes on the skies, everybody. Brent, well said. We'll be back real soon.
Alright, so what you're looking at in the sky, because my camera is very, very far away, I'm about, I could say, 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from this. That is a helicopter blinking, and I have no idea what the hell that thing is next to it, just sitting there. No actual movement. Big ass cloud formation. We got the helicopter just sitting there. Super weird. I'm not gonna say it's UFOs, but I am gonna say it's creepy that that helicopter is sitting real still.
Oh, look at that. Oh my Lord. Uau!
Cara, eu tô encucado até agora com esse negócio parado na praia. Ele tava encostado na água e agora ele tá em cima, parado. Um vento absurdo e o negócio não se mexe. Paradinho, no mesmo lugar. Já tem meia hora que isso tá aí em cima. Nem sobe, nem desce, tá parado no mesmo lugar.
Olha como tá fazendo agora o formato, sabe?
Formato diferente. Que é isso, cara?
Olha isso. Caralho, você tá vendo?
Era um círculo, mudou agora. Não tô entendendo mais nada.
Блин, что это такое вообще? Офигеть просто. Видите? Тут кучка, как вот переливается. Там что-то еще светится, но я туда боюсь нахрен ехать. Вдруг там, блин, хрен знает, что там. Может... Ну я такого вообще никогда не видел. Ну, что это за явление? Ну, как это объяснить? Кто-нибудь вообще может это объяснить? Бля, что это за хрень? Так, чтобы вы понимали, вот я сижу в машине, вот она эта штука. Как будто птицы какие-то, ну как будто светящееся что-то, вот много всяких вот каких-то элементов. Вот они объединились в кучу. Ну вот похоже как птицы, но почему они светятся? Да может это и правда птицы, просто отражаются.